Hi folks, Chief Meteorologist James Zahara here. Make it the fifth straight day of temperatures 90 or better, at least what we've been noticing in the Quad Cities with some pretty toasty numbers across the board. Yeah, 91 degrees last check over the airport, as well as over in Galesburg, Macomb at 92, generally upper 80s that we see across a lot of our hometowns. Fortunately, humidity on the dry side again, so that's some good news. With all this hot air, we haven't been seeing much humidity to work with to make it oppressive. So that has been some fairly good news. And skies have been fairly quiet. Once again, a little convective cumulus cloud cover activity popping up well west and well east of the river. Should be a quiet evening and a quiet night as well. But that could be a different story by about tomorrow night. Area of low pressure that we've been chatting about for the past number of days, still on track to produce some wet weather for us in the form of some showers and maybe even a few thunderstorms that could get maybe a little bumpy. This is going to be a system that may produce several waves of some very active showers and thunderstorms. Possibility of severe weather, yes, with the high risk maybe be in the form of a good rush of wind with only isolated events coming from hail and maybe some tornado activity farther west of the river as you go. And right now the timeline is going from 6 p.m. to as late, and this is more east of the river, to about 1 o'clock in the morning. So let's go and time this out for you with the help of our future track. All quiet as we head overnight. Promises to be a warm night. Temperatures for most will be around the mid 60s, I should say, with some isolated areas seeing enough dry air to may drop those numbers in the upper 50s. And then come tomorrow, we're going to make it 6 straight days of temperatures 90 or better, but we're going to be closing the chapter on this stretch of 90-degree plus weather, as we are going to expect the system to kind of help cool things off a little bit. But we're concerned about the active weather, so let's put our future track into motion. This is around lunchtime, a decaying wave coming in by around that time, maybe with a little stray shower or two, but I'm concerned about that line right there. See the bending that we see? That could be an indication of some strong winds coming down from the storm and the potential for those to be extreme. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. This is 6 p.m. We'll go to about 9. You can see how that wave kind of breaks apart, producing some nice rainfall. At least the potential is there from our model here. And then we got another wave to go coming in about just after midnight. This could have a good rush of wind with it as well, but more importantly, some nice rainfall. So several waves that we see that'll be coming in between 6 p.m. and about 1, and then things kind of quiet down after that, which may lead to a possible shower as we head into Sunday. But some much cooler temperatures as well. As you can see, numbers will climb down around the mid-80s on Sunday, 80s in fact through the first half of next week, before things get maybe a little bit on the warm side as we head to about sometime next Thursday. For more weather information, go to our website, that is WQAD.com.